back to this situation. Good God. Okay, you know what? It's the best I can do. Hi. We're filming a video today. And I'm showing you my room because the last one I showed you was 2 years ago. Yeah, it was quite a long time ago. So basically what this video is about is I'm showing you guys what I did to my room. I just made minor changes to my room to make my room look more mature and more like my style. It's very shitty quality, but it's good enough to where you can see what the hell was going on. This is the thumbnail. If you want to watch the video, go and watch the video. If you don't, I understand. But I'm just going to show you guys what I did to my room to make my room look more presentable and more better looking. So I'm done with this intro. So let's go to the real part of the video because just thinking of that old video is making me a little bit uncomfortable. So let's go to this video. Yeah? Okay, so nothing really changed much in my room, but oh, those are Christmas lights. My mom put that up. I'm probably gonna take them down. But so if y'all watched my old video, you would remember that there was a tapestry here. I got really tired of that tapestry, so I changed it to a bunch of posters. So this, ooh, look at them. So I just put up posters and I put record covers because they were really cool. So this one is the Bruno Mars, the BTS poster #1 and 2. This poster was where my old record player used to be. This is a Cardi B Invasion of Privacy album record cover. The Suicide Squad, because Suicide Squad was the best movie I've ever seen. And this old Jungle Tour poster that came from a book that I ripped in half because I can't rip properly, as you can tell. So I just put the two together because it looked really cute. And it's shittily taped on the wall, but what else is new? Because I'm a low quality kind of girl. Right? Right. This is where the big wave poster used to be. I actually changed it to a little like neutral kind of look to it. I don't know why I set it up this way. It looks very satisfying to me, so we're gonna keep it that way. More BTS because, you know, I'm obsessed, sadly. Also, my mom bought me this little poster thing. I don't know where she got it from, but ooh, she's beautiful. Also, she got me these cute little sign language. This was a horseshoe that I got from volleyball, and this cute little thing that says, "Choose happy." It's so cute. Like, you don't understand how cute it is. Oh my god. So on to the, wow. I never used to like makeup, but now look at her. She has an entire space filled with it. Yeah, I don't know when I started to use makeup. No, I lied. I remember when I started to use makeup. I had this gross thing under my lip, and it looked like it was like I just didn't finish wiping my mouth after eating a pudding cup. Like, the shit on my lips refused to go away. My friend said I look like I just ate a pudding cup. The fuck?
Oh, no, 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 no.
That shit was so disgusting, and I'm just like, you know what, I can't do this. So I had to put makeup on it. And that's when I got into makeup. My room is very small, so we're going kind of out of order here. Look at these cute little bobbleheads. Like, I have 5 now. Like, look at this one. Isn't he cute? He's like a cute little Groot. Christmas version, and then I have the other one. And I have 2 Chewbacca's and a cute little Christmas Spider-Man guy. Look at him, he's wearing a little sweater. So cute. Oh my gosh. Wow. Hustle is my middle name. And it's also ghetto. So that's perfect. Hello. I gotta show you guys my bed. Nothing much has changed. Except the amount of pillows I have. I still love pillows. Like, ooh. 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 I still have this pillow. I've always had this pillow. I'm never getting rid of it. Sorry, I'm a child. I kind of love my room now because I changed it. Like, I feel like it's more my style than anything else. Like, oh. It makes me want to change my dorm room too. Well, I'm fucked, but it's fine. We're gonna... So, let's go to the outro of this video because I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. So, that's the end of this video. If you stay to the end of this video, wow, I care about you guys very much because, well, you're probably just my mom, my nana, and my aunties, my uncles. Lonely, I'm Mr. Lonely. I wouldn't be watching my own videos because I freak out and I cringe. Thank you for watching. I don't even know what to say, to be completely honest with you. Give this video a big... Give it a big thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button if you want to see some mediocre slash awkward slash very cringy content, not in that order, videos. Comment down. Comment down a little palm tree thing because, like, I don't know why, but just comment that down below. But do I have anything else to say? I do. I will see you guys next week with a new motherfucking video. Okay, boo. Later. Okay, sorry. Goodbye.